Hey, so this is the transform animation thing. Okay, so here I am in Photoshop. I have a video clip in here. Now it's going to be different if you work with a frame animation, but let's assuming you're working with a video clip. I'm in the video timeline animation window. And of course here's the clip, it plays through. So in order to get to the transform property, it's this little arrow here. Okay, and then I'm going to click on the stopwatch here under transform. That's going to put that keyframe. Now I'm going to move over and notice I've got the move tool selected, and I have the show transform controls. Makes it really easy to do that. Now I can grab this and transform it. Let's make it super obvious. Slide it over here. Now notice I haven't set that transformation yet. I'm going to set the transformation, and that adds another keyframe down here. So now we're in this space where it's going to slide, and it'll render faster than that. But so I hope that answers your question. Thank you.